up, YouTube? On my way to look at a new piece of equipment that I just purchased to replace a piece of equipment that I already have. You'll see what it is. The piece that I have now doesn't fit my equipment well, and it's older, and I'm just getting something better. So you'll see what it is here shortly, and I'm excited to show you guys. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Here's a look at my new purchase. PJ 28-foot gooseneck equipment trailer. I got the upgraded tires, 16 ply. I got an extra set of marker lights. Extra set of marker lights on the trailer, black wheels, monster ramps. It's supposed to have a chain locker up front. Looks like it does. I got the oak deck instead of their other deck. Got the upgrade to the oak. I got D-rings installed, 4 on each side. Monster ramps are pretty awesome. 28 foot. Pretty good sized trailer. So, I believe the price on this was right around $16,000 today's pricing. Could have probably got it for like 12 something a couple years ago, but the economy is the way it is. I got the Desert Tan, so this trailer came out of Texas. Most of them here come out of Ohio. So it's got a bunch of LEDs on the back. That's nice. They said, yeah, this one had to come from Texas because I wanted the Desert Tan. My first gooseneck trailer. It's got a step here that folds down. There's a lot of other options also that I didn't get, but this is 14,000 GVW, but I'll be able to throw a tractor on here no problem, or both pieces of equipment like my skid steer and mini excavator no problem. So yeah, it's the new PJ trailer, 28 foot deck over, and it's got a chain locker on the front. Hang your chains in there, lock them up. I'm gonna put a light bar facing rear on the top, but I didn't like the ones they offer, so I'm gonna put my own on. I won't be able to use this probably till spring, but they're gonna come drop it off in my field. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see this trailer in action. J&J Trailer, Strattonville, PA. They got a bunch of trailers.
I know the book.